How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super cool 70 Nova SS Tribute. It's got done in performance white with steel cowl hood. Car's restored a few years back. Super nice car. See all the bumpers, the grille, all the chrome on this car is very nice. A lot of it's been replaced when it was restored. I really like the weld wheels on it. Just fits the car. It's got a 383 in it. Aluminum heads. The Edelbrock Performer aluminum head. Intake. Got comp cam in it. Just a super nice car, folks. It's a little cold out today. You have to bear with us. Do the best we can. It's the first day we've had some sun in a while. See, the car's real slick down the sides. It's got the drag radials on the rear. It's got the dual sport mirrors. Again, this is a 383 aluminum head. It's got power steering, power disc brakes, working AC. Very nicely done car. It's all detailed, very nice. It's got the 400 turbo trans. It is a manual valve body. Got 10-bolt posi with 355 gear. See the jams, real nice, clean, neat. Interior all looks like it's been redone in the car. The dash is beautiful in the car. Got your AutoMeter tach, trio gauges there. Got your B&M performance shifter. The headliner in the car is real nice and tight. Tell you, this is a strong running 383. It's on pump gas. Trunk's all been finished off real nice. The gentleman that owned this car had owned it for many years. I think 20 years the gentleman owned this car. It was his pride and joy. Did a real nice job doing the AM/FM CD stereo system in the car. Fires right up. Got your Demon carb on it. I tell you, everything on this car works. Every light, blinker, full exhaust all the way out the back with duals. Super strong running car. I tell you, I really like the car done in the white. All smoked windows in it. It's a tough looking car. The backup lights all work. Super nice car. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Come visit our showroom. Have a great day, folks.